Alright guys, we're going to do a review of this Made Good Crispy Squares. This is chocolate chip. There's the what it's free from, and here's the nutrient panel. And you guys can read this. There's the ingredients and do a quick taste test. Alright, so this is what the bars look like. They're really light and thin. Like this is like only 27 grams. What was that? 22 grams. Alright, let's open that up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's do the quick taste test. It's alright. It's quite a sweet tasting, but I sort of like the granola ones a little bit better. This is like, yeah, it's alright. Alright guys, any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.